Valentine's Day is almost here, and if you haven't picked out a gift yet, don't panic. We've done the hard work for you. You don't need to break the bank to find something meaningful. In fact, we've rounded up the best Valentine's Day gifts under $100 that are thoughtful, stylish, and guaranteed to impress. Whether you're shopping for your partner, a close friend, or even treating yourself, because why not? We've got something for everyone. From relaxation essentials to tech gadgets and delicious treats, these gifts will show your love without emptying your wallet. And hey, before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to Consumer Picks for more product recommendations. Plus, you'll find links to all these amazing gifts right in the description. Now, let's dive in. Imagine giving your Valentine the gift of a personal massage, anytime they want. The Toloco Massage Gun is a powerful deep tissue massager designed to relieve muscle soreness, whether after a tough workout or a long day at work. With multiple speed settings and interchangeable heads, this massage gun lets you target different muscle groups for a customized experience. And despite its pro-level power, it's quiet and lightweight, making it easy to use at home or on the go. If your Valentine loves fitness, works long hours, or simply enjoys relaxation, this is the perfect pick. Is your Valentine always staring at screens? Whether it's from work, gaming, or binge-watching shows, all that screen time can take a toll. The Renpho Iris One-Eye Massager is a game-changer for anyone who suffers from migraines, stress, or tired eyes. This device uses gentle heat, air compression, and vibration therapy to relieve tension around the eyes. It's like a mini spa treatment at home, melting away stress while improving circulation. Plus, it even has built-in Bluetooth speakers, so your Valentine can listen to calming music while unwinding. If relaxation is the goal, this is the ultimate gift. For a gift that never fails to impress, go with this 12-piece bath bomb set, one of Amazon's best-selling self-care gifts. Each bath bomb is handmade, filled with skin-loving ingredients, and designed to fizz, bubble, and fill the tub with soothing scents. Whether your Valentine enjoys long bubble baths or quick soaks after a hectic day, these bath bombs add a touch of luxury. From floral and citrusy scents to more calming lavender and vanilla options, there's something for every mood. Pair it with a candle and a glass of wine for the ultimate DIY spa night. If your Valentine loves to bake, this heart-shaped cake pan from Paris Hilton's collection is an adorable and thoughtful gift. The blush pink color and fluted design add extra charm, making it perfect for whipping up festive cakes for Valentine's Day. Or any day they want to share some love through baking. Made with durable, non-stick material, this pan makes it easy to create beautifully shaped cakes without a mess. And let's be honest, if your Valentine loves baking, this might just inspire them to make a special cake for you. If your Valentine loves music, the JBL Flip 6 is one of the best Bluetooth speakers you can buy under $100. It delivers powerful, crisp sound in a compact, portable design, making it great for home, road trips, or even poolside parties. This speaker is waterproof and dustproof, so it's perfect for outdoor adventures. Plus, with up to 12 hours of battery life, it keeps the music going all day long. Whether your Valentine loves blasting their favorite playlist or just enjoying some chill background music, this speaker is a gift they'll actually use every single day. Looking for the perfect gift for someone who loves fishing? The Catch Co. Mystery Tackle Box is a curated box of high-quality baits, lures, and fishing accessories, making it an exciting surprise for any angler. Every box is packed with a mix of classic and innovative fishing gear, helping your Valentine discover new favorites. It's like getting a mini Christmas morning for fishing enthusiasts every single time. This chic pink French press from Paris Hilton's collection is not just stylish, it's a game changer for coffee lovers. Unlike regular drip coffee, a French press gives you a richer, bolder, and fresher flavor. And this one does it with serious style. Made from durable, heat-resistant glass with a sleek gold tone lid, it's perfect for making coffee feel extra special. Whether your Valentine is a casual coffee drinker or a true caffeine connoisseur, this gift will elevate their morning routine. You can never go wrong with chocolate, and this 1-pound box of Valentine's-themed M&Ms is a surefire win. The candies come in classic pink, white, and red shades, each stamped with cute Valentine's graphics. Whether your Valentine enjoys snacking on them solo or using them to top off desserts, this is a gift that's simple, sweet, and always appreciated. For a more luxurious chocolate gift, the Neuhaus Belgian Chocolate Heart is an indulgent 28-piece collection featuring pralines, caramel, and ganache-filled chocolates. This isn't your average store-bought chocolate. It's artisanal, handcrafted, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious. If your Valentine is a true chocolate lover, this is the perfect way to impress. If you're looking for a fun, creative gift, this DIY painting kit is a unique pick. Instead of heading to a studio, your Valentine can follow along with an instructor at home and create their own masterpiece. It comes with everything needed: paints, brushes, and a canvas, so it's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Whether they're looking for a new hobby or just want to try something fun, this kit is a great way to spark creativity. And that's our list of the best Valentine's Day gifts under $100. No matter who you're shopping for, these gifts are thoughtful, stylish, and guaranteed to make the day special. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more awesome product recommendations. And remember, all the product links are right in the description so you can grab your perfect Valentine's gift today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.